It's an absolutely great opportunity for us to be able to give back to the community. Today we're using some of the food that we produce at Karnet Kitchen. Anything that we may have left over or excess produce of, we're going to be donating it to the Veterans Society. That'll be used for their Christmas function for the people in need.
The Section 95 group and Karnet Prison as a whole have been supporting this place since 2018. They're here today cleaning up, as you can see, and the kitchen will provide food for the veterans that are struggling up here.
The VTC do really good work with supporting veterans who have served the country, and I think that our guys really respect that, and they really love the opportunity to be able to get out here and help them in any way they can.
My role as a VSO, we work very closely with the prisoners, teaching them skills, running them through qualifications.
We get to be able to see the difference that it makes in other people's lives, seeing them be able to learn new skills and also get to give back to the community at the same time. Everyone kind of wins from these programs.